That's the finishing line right here, just behind our commentary position. It's a beautiful day here in Hobart. Big crowds gathering around the dock to welcome Master Lock Comanche home. Spectator craft gathering as she comes close to the finishing line.
And amazing scenes as we look from the eastern shore of the Derwent River. It's tough, it's difficult, it's challenging, and that's the attraction for sailors.
You can see Master Lock Comanche here. That's the twin rudders. That's the windward rudder almost out of the water there. She's got plenty of pressure. She's dropped the staysail, the orange sail at the front.
Just a cloudless sky here in Hobart, glistening conditions, a massive spectator following.
I'm going, oh, they've jibed already on Master Lock Comanche. Okay, they've completed the jibe.
Amazing scenes here on the Derwent River. The crowd at Kings Pier getting very excited. You can see the finishing line, only a matter of metres now. You can see the yellow finishing buoy just off the bow.
She really hasn't messed around. One jibe and they're in. Here she comes, bow down in full pressure. There's the finishing buoy off Castray Esplanade. Leave that to starboard.
A moment to savour for Master Lock Comanche. This boat takes its 5th Line Honours victory. Magnificent performance by James Mayo and Matt Allen.